So on the 25th of April, I posted this tweet, which shows we had just completed 500 orders on Fiverr. This was a huge milestone for us, and we felt we needed to share with everyone else to motivate others that they can also do the same. We got a lot of congratulatory messages from other freelancers as well as the main Fiverr account on Twitter. We also got a lot of questions asking us how we did it and if it's possible for others to also do the same. So the purpose of today's video is to answer those questions and also share with you our tips and tricks of how we accomplish this milestone. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Before I share with you the tips and tricks, I need you to understand that we did not accomplish this by just being lazy. We put in a lot of hard work, determination, and dedication, and we also put our customers first above any other thing. That is how we were able to do this. That being said, let's go straight into the tips and tricks. Now, the first trick or the first tip I'll leave you with is to personalize your profile. Personalizing your profile goes a long way to help you sell more on Fiverr. Fiverr is a big marketplace that is open to so many possibilities. So as a seller on Fiverr, you need to stand out by personalizing your profile. The first thing you do with your profile is to always use a picture of yourself on Fiverr. Use a picture of yourself. It doesn't need to be a studio, well-lit picture. It just needs to be clear enough to show your face. A lot of buyers come on Fiverr and they are turned away by the fact that other sellers don't use pictures of themselves on their profile because they want to be able to know who they are dealing with or who they are communicating with. Another thing about your profile is that you need to talk more about yourself, your experiences, your educational background in your profile. Adding your educational background to your Fiverr profile goes a long way. If you have a degree in computer science or you have a degree in any respective field of your choice, it's always good to add it to your Fiverr profile, whether it's a master's as well or even a PhD. Or even you have a certificate from an online learning platform, it's advisable to add that to your profile. This makes your profile look good and attracts more buyers to your profile. The second tip I would like to leave you with is gig creation. When creating your gig, it's advisable to go in depth and describe all the services you offer in your gig description. Be sure to also take advantage of the thumbnail image that Fiverr allows you to upload. Fiverr allows you to upload 3 images on your gig profile. The first is the thumbnail and the second should be samples of the works you have previously worked on. So take advantage of these opportunities and then also create a nice catchy thumbnail which lists some of the services you offer and also should have a picture of yourself on the thumbnail. Now you can research what other freelancers on Fiverr have created for their thumbnail and try to draw inspiration from that. Do not duplicate or copy their thumbnails and make it your own. That is frowned upon and your gig will suffer tremendously. So please be sure to avoid that. The third tip I would like to leave you with is that duplicate your gigs and niche down. If you're a graphic designer who specializes in logo design, flyer design, and other services, what I'll advise you to do is when you create your first gig and you offer a number of services on that gig, for example, you offer a logo design and you set a price for that design or that gig. Create another gig that also highlights that you create a logo design, but in this one you add a flyer and duplicate that gig as many times as possible. 2 to 3 is advisable because of the next point I'm going to give. Now, in the next point, which is the SEO, SEO is short for search engine optimization. There are keywords that you need to put in your gigs to help them rank higher in the search. Fiverr gives buyers an opportunity to search for what exactly they want from a seller. So with that being said, it has a number of keywords in the search that you can take advantage of and put those keywords into your gigs to help your gig rank high on the search list. So take advantage of the SEOs and put them in all the gigs you create. The last but not least tip is that when you land your first order, it's very important for you to go above and beyond for the client. Customer satisfaction is the primary key to being very successful on Fiverr. Be sure to always go above and beyond for your clients. Do not offer mediocre work, but always offer the best. Be on your A game always, because having one good client will lead to a series or a chain of more good clients through referrals. We have so many clients on Fiverr now, and we got more than half of them because we offered good services to an initial client who referred us to others. So these are the 5 tips and tricks I'll leave with you in today's video that Prince and myself have used over the years to achieve 500 orders and 300 plus reviews. If you find this video useful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss another one next week Friday. We drop a video every Friday about freelancing on Fiverr, what to do, what not to do. We share our personal experiences and more. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comment section. We will get to those questions and we'll answer them as best as we can. Or you can send us a DM on Twitter or Instagram at Distro Tech. The links are in the description, so be sure to check us out. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.